He's coming out. Who's that?
Lefty.
Stand back! Boy, Wayne, stand back!
He's on private land! Get him off! He's on private land! He's on private land! Get him off! He's on private land!
Private land! Get him off! Private land! Get him off!
He's on private land!
What's going on? I've got to defuse this.
He's on private land!
I'm not live anymore. I had to go and have something to eat.
He's back to the time.
This cameraman's not recording, is he? Where about?
No, he's not recording.
Stop!
Filming this, by the way. Not from the camera. You are here.
He too, man, he started this.
Why is he out there? We're not.
You don't want to see it? You don't want to see it, do you? Stop! Everyone stop! Stop! Tell you what, stop! Yes, I've got a video of this already.
No, what do you want to hit? Everyone's there. Everyone stop! Drink up. Chill.
Brandon, easy, stay still. No, try and kick your ass. I've got video. Get your fucking tea break, boys. Get your sleep.
What's he got? What do you do? Hit kids?
I'm Spartacus!
I didn't just literally turn that up. I went down Macca's for a bit. What the fuck's going on here?
He's coming in infiltrating us.
Can you read that fucking sign?
I can speak in English.
Why
did you come?
Do you know what he turned around and said? I said,
What
there's two weights
reason
in
was
here.
there for coming?
He said, do you know what he said? There's only two. Only two.
Two is fucking too much.
Too many.
Yeah, too many.
Fucking filth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mate, I didn't get that live. I've got it on video, but... I think Sky News are here somewhere as well, recording, and they're not allowed to be recording. I'm going to try and find out a bit more info about that. So it's dying down a bit here now. Still a lot of high tensions. I ain't got it. I literally just arrived.
Oi, mate, come here. Hey, come here. You had that footage of that kid being assaulted? Yeah, come on me a minute.
Where is it? I'm just trying to find
Yeah, no, don't come on me. It's cop, just chill.
I just spoke to
Come on, mate. Please move here. No, he's coming with me. That man is there.
Yeah, come with me, man.
And the guy over there has assaulted a child and also said 2 rapes. Is that it?
Glenn, get everyone back this side a minute. He's watching the video now.
Glenn, that was a setup from Sky.
What?
They took me pictures.
It's got to be. It's got to be there.
It's a setup.
Everyone gets.
It's funny because I was walking up the road and there was a car come down there, went into the lefty area and then drove back out. And I thought that a bit strange. Like, I was like someone was scoping us
Hey,
out.
Glenn, get everyone this side. He's doing. Look at that video.
Hey, the phone protector!
This is Sky News. He's dealing with Sky News. He's been set up all this for all the lads to go crazy because he's hit one of the kids. Yeah, that lad hit one of the kids. They ought to. I can donate a fucking kid, do you?
Just let him go, Jason. Go on there. Just let him go.
We hit one of the kids.
Yeah.
I just heard he got arrested. Is that true?
No, he ain't been arrested.
He hasn't been arrested.
No.
Someone just said he got arrested
No.
for assault.
No, we need to arrest them.
So where is he?
We've got the video evidence of him himself.
Hopefully, yeah, he needs to be arrested.
We got set up by Sky.
Why hasn't he been arrested? Why is that man not being arrested? Why is that man not being arrested for hitting a child? Why is that man not being arrested for hitting a child?
Simple.
And we're just storming the place unless he gets nicked.
But you bailed the terrorists. But you bailed the terrorists.
Request to climb. Simple.
You bailed the
What's happening? What's happening?
child pornographic evidence on his phone on court, and you bailed him. Children on his phone, and you're defending that. Get a grip. We're here for your children as well, not just ours. All of yours. You're too pathetic to do anything.
Just come away.
You're pathetic.
We've got a picture of him, kid, anyway. He's hit a kid. He's worse than them fucking bastards.
Yeah, buddy. Fucking sickening, isn't it? We went down Mackie D's and we'll just come back and I'm filming it again. I'm like, fuck. So you're just running across the road.
Get everyone back over there.
You're right, buddy.
What's happening?
Some bloke just came along and been set up by Sky News and hit one of the kids.
Why
I don't know.
is he been arrested and hit a child?
So if we were to go over to them, what would happen?
No, I've only just got back.
Yeah, we went up Mackey's.
What?
We went up Mackey's.
Yeah.
All you bastards. If they let him go,
You'll come back.
we'll come back.
Okay, we will.
We'll start doing your job for you if you don't.
Shit doesn't arrest him.
I'll get the bomb goes I admit you didn't pick it about you. They're not, they're tennis rackets.
Paddles, yeah.
Paddles, put them on your
Come on, son. Keep going back that way a minute. If he don't get arrested, I will, because I'll be fucking headbutting him.
Yeah.
He's gone over his asthma, I think.
I left him. He was going to
They're rapists.
Rapist, terrorist, scum.
Yeah, terrorists.
ISIS, fucking.
ISIS broke into an RF base. They're allowed to walk fucking free. Should be arresting anyone. Palestine is affiliated with Palestine Action.
What a dick.
You should be questioning
Oh,
them.
bad.
You might as well interview the fucking dog.
We're here till 1 o'clock in the fucking morning.
They're not activists or protesters, they're agitators. Oh yeah, I'll be glad to do that. Pants.
Peppa Pig!
How about this here for the women? And I'm shouting, it's a child, you're going to arrest them. It could be one of yours next.
Yeah.
We've been infiltrated by lefty scum. Fuck's sake.
I was up there. On face paint at the fucking thing, you should have told me. Who was it who hit Charles?
What? They will not arrest him.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why everyone's so angry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
because
hit a
It's
child.
been infiltrated. It was either a lefty or someone from Sky News, basically. And they came in.
An actual immigrant has run round, hit a child, and ran back.
Not an immigrant. Is a white male. Normal. Just looks
Is
like
it
one
the
of them.
curly hair?
Yeah. It's like a.
Oh, the one who was the lefty.
I think so.
'Cause
Yeah.
he was speaking to Sky News next to me,
Yeah.
and then suddenly
Are they filming?
it all kicked off.
Yeah. Are they filming?
They were. He said, "Can I do an interview alone?"
Yeah.
Then it all kicked off.
Is that Sky News in the grey
Yeah.
trousers? Yeah.
Maybe we need to be pressing them then and saying like, what did he say? And he was trying to get intel.
No Sky News, which one?
The one with the camera in his hand. The taller
one
one.
with the sunglasses on with the checkered jacket. The one with the camera in his hand, and then the short little lady, with the camel jacket.
I see her last time when we were down there, Nikki last time, and she was walking back too.
Yeah.
With the other people. Remember? I don't know if you
They're
were there.
two-faced. They don't put what we want on there.
Well, they tried to interview you earlier, didn't he, DDP? And I said, I ain't have nothing to do with it. I
Yeah.
fucking like him.
I know
So I
an
like
immigrant
tell
the other
lies.
day got arrested because they chucked a bike at a lady.
Yeah,
I know about
one of the
that.
security guards as well.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he had big
So,
headings on his phone.
security that's here, are they security for the hotel?
They're inside the security. All this is just police out here.
Right.
I can't work out who it is. It's Sky News.
The dark girl.
With all in black, yeah?
Yeah, one of your mates talking to.
Oh, my mate.
Oh
Thomas.
no, not the one all in black. The one with the black bag on the back.
Have a close.
Yeah, I know. I was going to tell them that the police won't even fucking admit it.
You should say to them, what did you just see?
No, that's assault. And this is battery.
And this is Judy.
That's the G, that's the B, and that's the fucking H.
Whose kid? What kid did they hit? What kid did they hit?
One with the tracks and they're watching the video, that's all on video. That's why they've arrested him, going back over there, so they arrested him. Where is the poor boy? Yeah, but he's hurt his arm and that, he's got a muddle down.
Well, he pushed him, saying.
Yeah, chucked down the hill.
Dickhead.
I think he's the next copper as well, the boy, I don't hold him to it. The person, curly hair.
Well, there's two of the riot vans have gone down today.
Yeah, they'll pick them up, didn't he?
I was over there when I could hear the engine go. Big M Barons have gone on it.
Yeah. Now's all the shit we put in the petrol tanks while they weren't looking.
Yeah.
He's taking one of the kids on the back.
Yeah, great top. Great top. Yeah, that's the one that pushed the
Yeah,
hill.
no. He didn't have a fucking adult with him.
That's not right. It should.
Look at the kid
Should.
by himself.
Fuck.
Fuck that.
We should.
That's not
We
allowed.
need to say something
Fuck
about
no.
that. Yeah. Come on.
If he's under 18, he's on the boat. That's fucking. That's out of order. That is fuck no.
Speak to Glenn or something.
And Glenn's over there. I can't go over there because that's over police lines. Fuck's sake. Where's the kid?
Remember, be careful, yeah?
We will.
Good man.
People are getting angry about it. Let's be honest, we're losing.
Oh, is understandable. Is that kid?
We'll move with you and we'll continue to talk with you.
Listen, I'm just dealing with this, and then I've got to go that way anyway.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. That's got a reason for it. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm basically fine.
You have the right to move back into the original protest area so we can start moving the police away,
Actually,
and then we'll have more
the
people.
original protest area? Have you
The
got
original protest area is those bits there.
Have you got a map for me, please? Because I don't work. You know what section you come to?
Okay, I'm going to show you what it is. I don't know what the exact section is, but that's the original protest
I'll wait
area.
here, mate. I'll wait here. Not a problem. Thank you. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. The original protest area, please. That's the agreed protest area.
Right, it's back over there, where you're supposed to be.
Is that what Glenn said?
Glenn's dealing with it. You need to go back to where you're supposed to be. Thank you.
That's where you were. Come on then. Just make it easier than it is.
Is that sausage you got on there? Is that pork?
Chicken skewers.
You throwing that over?
Yeah.
I thought it was a bit of sausage.
Right against the window. Yeah, just a bit of red roll.
That would be
I
funny.
don't mind seagulls, to be fair. Seagulls are...
They're quite intelligent. So then rooks as well. They're really clever.
Yeah, oh yeah. Pigeons, you know what? Pigeons, very intelligent birds.
Yeah. It's time now.
Get all this fucking food. I ain't had nothing yet. I've not had nothing yet. Don't walk around, mate. There's plenty about. Fucking find me something. Where are the barbecues at? I'm fucking absolutely starving.
Yeah, but that officer over there looks like one.
I really want to go and speak to them. Like, actually, we were here since day one.
Given up my family fought World War I, World War II, probably even before that, as long as I know. Fair enough.
When if he speaks to me, I will say, by the way,
Get them all down here. Go on in, Ginge.
I want everyone back up there. We need everyone here.
Oh, you know what?
You're right, Glenn.
Cunts.
I know. Fucking idiots.
Cunts, mate. I'm going to make sure now. This has got to go out. No, leave that now. That's all your getting sorted. She gets stabbed by that bastard.
she got shot.
Yeah, what they doing? They're doing something down there.
Go to the bells, mate. Oh, yeah, I know that. So why would you want to get back?
He's German. My name is Kurt.
Look like they might be nicking him. He just moved that cop car around, so... Glenn, I think they might be nicking him. They've just moved that cop car around.
You can't buy red food.
No? I've got a good picture of his face, don't worry.
You used to work for the cans now,
Don't talk to him.
Not me.
If that was John, I would be like, squeal me like a pig. Make me squeal like a pig.
I know, I've seen them. They're good, aren't they? Cover your face. Cover your face.
Don't worry, I'm not going to get your face in. It's fine. It's fine. Just
Too much money before that.
And what's brought me here today is that fear. Fear what's going to happen to my son. Fear what's going to happen to my grandchildren. Fear of what's going to happen to the men and close brothers, neighbours, people. That's what it's all about.
Thanks very much.
Turn the back as well.
In fact, can you start on the front and spin it round? Yeah.
You want to record me to ask why I'm here today? No.
You just.
Problem is, if you speak on record, how many people in this world are going to have your face and then find out where you live, and then you start getting threats, start getting emails?
That's not it. That's not even, that's my history as well.
Right.
Look what they've done.
Sorry.
These are what
Can everyone go down there? They're going live on Sky. Prove what we're here for.
Come on, then.
We get everyone with flags down there because we're going live.
Fuck, mine's in the car.
No swearing.
Come on. No, they're coming back down.
They were pushing back. I was getting right in there. Yeah, we were all getting right in there. It was harder then than what it's been all day.
So we're doing a live stream on Sky News.
I was then about to finish.